Hello everybody! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, gagawa tayo ng ubi ice cream. So we're using Alaska Crema all-purpose cream. 2 of these. Right? And Alaska condensed sada. Ubi makapuno. Ubilicious. Alright, so let's go ahead and make our ice cream. We are going to cut the crema here. Crema box. 2 of them. It's 250 ml. So total of 500 ml. So our Alaska crema into the bowl. Use our So you guys hold in our Alaska condensed OB mac. Hello everybody! So we're going to open our homemade OB ice cream. Here we go. It's been overnight. And here we go. Look at that, guys. Whoa! Look at that. Yummer. Alright, so let's have a try. Oh my god, so good. Oh. Wow. This is real deal. Awesome. Oh yeah.
You know what? This actually reminds me of remember there was like a purple.
Then you blow it?
What?
When you blow?
No.
Oh.
A different one. Like we were back in Thailand, that we had. I like the popsicle ones like this. It tasted just like this.
Oh yeah. Same thing, yeah, that was yum. Purple yum. Same with Obi. So good. Guys, you gotta have to make this. It's pretty simple. Super simple lang siya. 2 ingredients. Available in the grocery. Alright, so ganito have some chew. With waffle. There you go, guys, with waffle. That's her thing. So she wants to take that. Oh, look at that. Oh, nice.
Thanks.
So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click the notification button to get notified for my next video. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Take care, and bye-bye.